good morning everyone, it's Ina. Today is our 5th and last full day in Taiwan, sadly. Today is a tour day, so we will be visiting Taichung, which is in the south of Taipei. Our first stop is the Green Fantasy Forest, which is about 2 hours away from Taipei. It's a bit windy here, and the first two places that we've been to for the Taichung tour are good places to visit for those who love taking pictures. The first one, the Fantasy Forest, has a lot of setups where you can take pictures, and it's usually used for shoot. And the flower garden where we are now, their flowers are nice and they usually start blooming, I think October. Yeah. Usually, those who take the tour would eat here. There's an eat-all-you-can barbecue place where you will do the cooking. But we decided that we will be eating in the city instead. like the donuts of Mr. Donut. It's not too sweet and the texture is chewy, which I love. Also the shape of the donuts. I haven't seen anything like that in the Philippines before.
Yeah.
And they're tiny circles, so it's so fun to eat because they're bite-sized.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling.
We're here at the city of Taichung and our first stop here is Biara. It's an ice cream shop with a really nice interior. There it is, and the line is super long.
And my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game. We haven't known each other long, but God, it's easier to say what I feel when I write a song. That is, if you don't mind. I have been thinking of you all this time. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And my chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game.
This is the first pearl milk tea. It started it all. Actually, we tried their milk tea on the first day.
The first milk tea we
Yeah,
tried.
and
Ever tried.
it might be our last milk tea also since we're leaving tomorrow.
Old restaurant po talaga kasi yan ng mga estudyante. Tambayan nila.
Yung tea house na yan.
Milk house, doon po sila nagbabarahan, iinuman.
Healing time.
Before ang serving ng milk tea is malaking bowl.
Parang ice cream cup, parang gano'n.
Mas malaki, parang ice cream cup, pero mas malaki
Malaki
times
pa.
10.
Whoa.
Wow!
Okay, our last and final stop here at Taichung is the anime lace, specially requested by Hug and I.
might have to spell it out for you. So listen here.
our Taichung tour. Usually tours here in Taiwan, like the ones we've been having with Kuya Jeffrey of Wicked Fan Services, they usually last for about 10 hours. For me who loves the cold weather, the best time to visit is October until March, since when summer hits in Taiwan, usually starting June, it would get really hot. Earlier on the way back to Taipei, we passed by this fruit market just outside of the city. We got Atis avocados and what they call custard apple, which is a variety of Atis. It's really good and it's grown here in Taiwan. That fruit market was recommended to us by Kuya Jeffrey. It's in his hometown, and he said that that's where the locals really go to buy their fruits. Sadly, tomorrow is our flight going back home, so we're already starting to pack up, and we will make the most out of tonight and have our last Taiwanese meal.